Hey, what's up everybody? Brandon at Beard and Buck. We're out here at Happy Hollow Gun Range today. We got Emily and Dad here. We're going to do a little muzzleloader and rifle shooting today. Get our muzzleloaders and rifles dialed in for the season. So anyway, stay tuned, enjoy, and hopefully we do some good shooting. So Emily's going to shoot the, we got Braden's 243 out here. She's going to shoot that a couple of times. I'm going to get her comfortable with that. Probably the gun she uses this year. And then let her shoot the 308 too. So Emily. You see where it hit? Mm-hmm. Where's it at?
See it in the second ring to the right of the center.
Oh yeah. Okay, so what we'll do, yep.
Right.
Yep. Okay, grab another one. What you got, Mikey?
I don't know.
Did you shoot it?
Not yet.
Oh.
Fire in the hole.
Okay, so we'll shoot three. I think you were in the black ring that time. That baby's on. So 3 shots for Emily. She put 3 in the 10 ring. So 243's on. We're good.
It's tough at first, but then, yeah. Got one?
Nope, that's the spent one. God, I just blew the black circle out of that thing.
Really?
I'm pretty sure.
All actions open and empty. Everybody step back from the benches when you're clear.
Let's go see what these look like. So my muzzleloader, Emily bought me a couple years ago, and I could not get it dialed in last year for some reason. I was always good at 50, and then we'd scoot it back to 100, and we just never could get it on paper. And we did everything we could to try to figure it out, and couldn't figure it out. But learned a hard lesson. Always check your scope. It was a little bit loose, so I think it was just, that was my first shot right there, and that was my second shot.
I think you need to come up
Another inch. Well, yeah.
Well, that's a good inch. I think about 6 clicks, which will put you probably about right in here. I mean, that's going to kill.
But I'm happy with that right there.
Huh?
Yeah, look at her shots. I mean, she.
Dang, she's nailing it.
So, Dad, that was your first shot there.
Mm-hmm.
But here's Emily's shots with the 243. She hit her first one here, which I think was just a little jerk, and then her second and third shot were in the 10 range.
Muzzleloader. That's going to kill something right there. I ain't messing with it.
Here's a 308. I think Emily hit high maybe once.
Yeah, this is our first one. This was our second one.
Pretty good. Yeah, we are dialed in, baby. So anyway, back to what I shoot. And then the 308 is a Howa custom 308, and man, it is just always dead on. I'm gonna leave it just in case we want to shoot something else at it, but I never have to mess with that gun. It's in fact, I used it to kill the buck I killed out of the double stand when Emily was with me. I think the name of that episode was probably Good Luck Charm. I think is the name of that episode. So we sat in the stand for 15-20 minutes, and I was sitting there looking through SIM card pictures, and she was like, "Hey, there's a deer right there." And I looked up, and that 8-point was standing there. So anyway, it was awesome because go around the berm. Sorry. Yeah, like I said, the 308's great rifle. But anyway, it's great for her to see me shoot a deer with it. She filmed the whole thing. She did great. But we're gonna get her on a deer this year. So, and then she shot the Braden's Remington 243. Again, he's killed 2 deer with it. Thing's always been dead on. So, feeling pretty good about where the guns are right now. We're gonna shoot this muzzleloader at the 100-yard target and see what happens. Well, we made it back from the rifle range. Had a great day out there today, honestly. We got there, it was pretty cool. Not a lot of people there, weather was nice, but it got hot quick and it started getting packed. But we got everything sighted in that we wanted to get sighted in today. 2 muzzleloaders, both rifles, so we should be good to go for that. And now here we are in the backyard. We're gonna shoot the crossbow a little bit. I had the strings changed on it a few weeks ago, and it was tuned, but I wanna make sure the scope's good to go and make sure everything's sighted in, so stay tuned. Well, we just wrapped up shooting the crossbow in the backyard this evening. Try to get it dialed in a little bit closer. I think we're there. So really excited. We got 5 days until opening day gets here, and we're geared up and ready to go. So hey, I appreciate you guys following along. We had a great day today at the range. Great day shooting the bow outside. Looking forward to Friday. So you guys be sure to like and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and especially YouTube. And be sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for all of our outdoor hunting videos.